Go Fish with ABC Pop Phonics is a fun and simple way to build phonics skills. Let's learn how to play. In this card deck, there are 2 cards for each letter, one uppercase and one lowercase. The goal is to make letter pairs. The player with the most pairs wins. To start, deal 5 cards to each player. Place the rest of the cards face down in the center pile. Every player gets to look at their own cards, but they must hide it from others and should not look at others' cards. If a player has any pairs at the start, they must show the pair to everyone and place on the table. Now, let's start the game. The player gets to ask for a certain letter card from the other player.
Ricardo, do you have a question, Queen?
If the requested player have it, he or she must give it, and the asker must show the pair on the table and make the appropriate phonics sound and takes another turn. The requested player checks for the card, and if he or she does not have it, he or she must say, "No, go fish."
You have angry ant? No, I don't go fish.
Then the player who asked must draw a card from the center pile. If the card drawn from the pile matches with the card, he or she must show it to the table and make the phonics sound. Then it will be the next person's turn.
Okay, next is Ricardo's turn.
But if the card drawn from the pile doesn't match any card in hand, it will be next player's turn. The game ends when all the pairs are made and no more cards left. If a player runs out of cards during play, he or she gets to take 1 card from the card pile in the center. The player with the most pairs at the end wins. Each match helps children connect letter sounds with words. This builds phonics through repetition, listening, and speaking. If you or your students need help remembering how to pronounce the sound, visit the ABC Pop Phonics videos for a better experience. Happy learning!